Are you ready to level up your gaming experience without breaking the bank? Imagine getting the gear you've always wanted, top-tier keyboards, gaming mice, and accessories, all while saving big. With glorious gaming coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts, you can do exactly that. In this video, I'm here to guide you through the simplest way to score unbelievable deals on your favorite glorious gaming products. Follow these 3 easy steps, and in just minutes, you'll be unlocking discounts like a pro. Step 1. Visit promoserver.net or use the link below. The journey to epic savings starts at promoserver.net, your one-stop shop for all the latest and greatest coupon codes. Don't worry about searching endlessly. The link in the description or comments of this video will take you straight to the treasure trove of savings. Step 2. Pick the perfect coupon for you. Once you're on promoserver.net, scroll through and find the glorious gaming promo code that matches your needs. Whether it's a percentage off deal, free shipping, or exclusive discounts, there's something for everyone. Step 3. Apply and save big. Copy your chosen coupon code, head to the glorious gaming website, and shop for your dream gaming gear. At checkout, paste the code into the promo code box, hit apply, and watch the price drop like magic. Why wait? Start saving today. Think about it, why pay full price when incredible savings are just a few clicks away? Don't let those discounts slip through your fingers. Your dream gaming setup is closer than ever, all you have to do is take the first step. Let me know in the comments what deal you scored or what gaming gear you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to save big on your favorite brands. Ready to elevate your game and save big? Click the link now and get started.